Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Imagine impressing your friends and family with a perfectly cooked rack of lamb tonight. This elegant dish might look complicated, but it's surprisingly simple to master right in your own kitchen. We'll guide you step by step to achieve a rich, tender flavor that truly melts in your mouth. Forget the fancy restaurants. You can create a culinary masterpiece that everyone will rave about with just a few key techniques. Let's make this luxurious meal a delicious reality for you. First, let's prepare your rack of lamb for cooking. Begin by trimming any excess fat and the tough silver skin from the meat. This ensures an even cook and a beautiful presentation. Use a sharp knife for precision, carefully working along the bone line. Once trimmed, season your lamb generously on all sides. A simple blend of salt, freshly ground black pepper, garlic powder, and fresh rosemary or thyme works wonderfully. Press the seasonings into the meat firmly, preparing it for the next delicious step. Next, we'll build incredible flavor through searing. Heat a heavy-bottomed pan, like cast iron, over medium-high heat with a high-smoke point oil. Once shimmering, carefully place your seasoned rack of lamb into the hot pan. Sear each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until it develops a beautiful golden brown crust. This quick sear locks in the precious juices and creates a rich, savory layer of flavor that's essential for a truly delicious rack of lamb. Be sure to get all sides evenly browned. After searing, it's time for the oven. Transfer your seared rack of lamb to a roasting pan or baking sheet. Place it into a preheated oven set to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. The roasting time will vary, but typically it takes 15 to 20 minutes. For perfect doneness, always use a reliable meat thermometer inserted into the thickest part of the meat, avoiding the bone. Aim for 125 degrees Fahrenheit for a delicious medium rare, or slightly higher for more well-done preferences. The final, crucial step for tender, juicy lamb is resting. Once your rack of lamb reaches your desired internal temperature, remove it from the oven and transfer it to a cutting board. Tent it loosely with foil and let it rest for a full 10 to 15 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute evenly throughout the meat, preventing them from running out when you slice. Finally, carve between the bones to create those beautiful individual lamb chops, ready to serve and enjoy. Your perfect rack of lamb is now complete.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.